Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook plant-based food. Starting with the basics, always have a diverse range of fresh produce on hand, including leafy greens, colorful vegetables, and hardy root vegetables. Look for seasonal ingredients at your local market to ensure peak freshness and flavor. Planning your meals around these vibrant components will naturally enhance your dishes and provide essential nutrients for a well-balanced plate. To create truly delicious plant-based meals, mastering flavor is key. Don't be shy with spices. Cumin, paprika, turmeric, and garlic powder can transform a dish. For that satisfying umami depth, try adding 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast to sauces or sprinkling a few dashes of soy sauce on roasted vegetables. Roasting at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes can bring out incredible natural sweetness and savory notes. Ensuring adequate protein and satisfying textures is crucial for plant-based eating. Incorporate 1 cup of cooked lentils or black beans into your meals for a hearty base. Try pan-frying firm tofu until crispy or crumbling tempeh into a flavorful stir-fry. These options not only provide essential nutrients, but also contribute different mouthfeels, making each bite more interesting and every meal more fulfilling. Streamlining your plant-based cooking with smart meal prep saves valuable time. Cook 2 cups of quinoa or brown rice on Sunday, providing a base for several meals. Chop a large onion and 3 bell peppers to use throughout the week. Stock your pantry with canned beans, crushed tomatoes, and dried pasta for those busy evenings, ensuring a wholesome meal is always just 15 minutes away.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.